Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting evidence of what you can do, not what you lack. Write 6-8 transferable skills and match each to a short example from school, volunteering, or part-time work. Once done, pick a resume format used in Canada, functional or combination, so skills sit at the top. Make sure to choose clear headings, use Canadian English spelling, and include contact info with a local phone number. This immediate focus lets you build credibility before listing formal job history. Now you translate examples into a neat, targeted resume. Start with a 2-line summary that states who you are and the role you want. Then list skills with 1-line evidence each, using numbers where possible, hours, percentages, people served, to add weight. Follow with education and relevant activities like clubs or freelance projects. Make sure to tailor keywords from the job posting into your summary and skills lines so applicant tracking systems pick you up. Review spacing and keep it to 1 page. Finish by writing a concise cover letter that explains why you're worth hiring despite no formal experience. Lead with a single sentence tying your strongest transferable skill to the employer's pain point. Follow with a 1-paragraph story that demonstrates impact, what you did, the result, and a number if possible. Close with enthusiasm and a direct call to action asking for an interview. If you get a rejection, request feedback, tweak keywords or examples, and resend. Persistence and iteration fix most gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.